Hey, what's up everybody? Wes here. Thanks for tuning in for another video. Today, I've got a product review. I've got a product made by a company called CarQ Wireless, and it's a wireless phone charger for my Toyota Tacoma. They make these for other vehicles as well, but this was sent compliments of them for me to try out. I do have a built-in my TRD Sport, so either way, I'll probably keep this on as an organizer, even if I don't wind up using it for its charging capabilities. But for those of you who don't have that built-in, this may be an option for you. It's also going to double up as an organizer. But either way, I'll do a quick unboxing. We'll check it out, and it should be a very simple install. We'll head out to the truck in just a second and get it all set up and see what we think about it. All right, so here it is in the box. This again is the wireless charger made by CarQ Wireless, and this one is specifically for the Toyota Tacoma. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right out here to the truck and get this thing installed. It's supposed to be really easy. I just need to clean all this junk out of the console, and we'll have a clean slate to start with. Now that we got that out of the way, we're just going to go ahead and peek inside here. And in these Tacomas, there's going to be a couple of charging ports here, and we're going to be utilizing the USB. Here's the tray out of the box, and it looks pretty cool. I think it's going to be a nice fit. Definitely needed some sort of organizer, but what we're going to use to plug it in is going to be this Type-C charger, which it comes with. So this cord comes available with the kit. It also comes with a cigarette charger if you don't have something like this inside. But you just plug in the Type-C port here, and then we're just going to drop it into place after hooking up the USB. So the USB just clicks right into place, and we're all set. So there is going to be a little bit of wires dangling in the lower cavity, but that shouldn't affect anything. So we've got this here, just clicks right into place, and it's good to go. Now I just want to make sure that everything closes securely and it works, which it does. And again, this is going to be awesome for storage, any kind of knickknacks that you may have and change. So now we're going to get everything fired up and make sure that this thing's actually going to do what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to charge the phone. So this is my iPhone 11 Pro. So it's not charging yet. The vehicle is not running. So I'm going to start the engine and see what we got. All right, let's see what we got here. I don't see any action. I see some lights flashing, but nothing happening to the phone yet. So it's not picking up the wireless charge as of right now. I may have to do something different here. No, it's just my navigation. So I think what it is my phone case. I've got this magnet on the back of my case, and it's actually for an awesome little phone mount here. It's made by Magic Mount. I'll provide a link up here in the cards for that. It's definitely worth checking out. But I think that's what's interfering with the charging capabilities. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that off here, lay the phone back in the tray, and see if that fixes the problem. Alright, so yep, that's what it was. And just like it is in my truck for the charging pad that I have here, that phone case is just going to interfere with that. So keep that in mind. Everything's charging like it should, but some phone cases are going to interfere with that capability. Again, I've got this built-in pad here in the truck itself, and it doesn't work with the case either, so not a big deal. But this tray looks awesome. I think it's definitely highly functional. Overall, the charging capability and the storage capability seems to be performing very well. Let me know what you think. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have in the comments below. Also, feel free to check out their website. On their main page here, they have all kinds of different options for various vehicles, not just the Toyota Tacoma, so definitely check that out if you have a different ride. But for the sake of this video, I'll post the Amazon link to this option here for the Tacoma, and it was definitely cheaper than they had on their website. But that's all for now. Again, this is a super solid product. I hope it's something you'll consider checking out. I'll definitely keep you updated here if I have any bad experiences with it, any kind of issues. But in the meanwhile, definitely click like and consider subscribing if you enjoyed the video. I'll be putting out some very similar content in the near future, and I'd hope to see you there next time. But until then, I really appreciate you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.